Raymour and Flanigan Outlet, Westfield sideways. You'll come in on the second ride. We're going up. We're gonna go up later. I'm just gonna take a round trip. Then you'll come in with me. The Schindler, but not an HT. This is neat. Here we go. As you can see, it's definitely a furniture gallery. This might be my last ride on this, since its mall is closing. Get the cab view. Very European style vent holes on the top. Come on in. Push 2. Push 2. Feel the button. Isn't this like almost European? This looks like a very low quality bell. Oh, let's see. There it goes. I remember when I was filming when I first came here. Well, and there are the escalators.